Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If phone calls are important for your business, call extensions are a must. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add call extensions in Google Ads 2026 so people can call you directly from your ads. For example, as you can see, this ad right here, it has a phone number underneath it. It's the call extensions. Now, to do that, we're just gonna have to follow these few simple steps. First thing you want to do is set up your Google Ads account. And to do that, you're gonna go to your business.google.com and make sure you sign in with your Google account. Once you do that, you're gonna click on the Start Now button and you're gonna fill in the information with your business name, business website, and other informations. And once you finish setting up your business, we're gonna go here and then you're gonna go to the assets. You're gonna open Ads and Assets and click the Assets tab. Now, once you do that, you're gonna click on the plus new button and then choose a call. Here, you're going to add a phone number. For example, I'm going to choose the phone number, and then you're going to add a phone number here. And then you're going to select the correct country. You can enter your business phone number, and you're going to enter the country, and enable call reporting and enable call conversions. After that, you're going to set advanced options. Now, you're going to schedule when calls can appear, and set device preference from mobile to focused, and then you're going to apply and save. After that, you're going to choose the account, campaign, or ad group level, and then click on save at the end once you finish setting up this. And make sure to use the call extensions during business hours. And also make sure to track calls as conversions. And they're best for service-based business. So make sure to use them for service-based business so you can get calls from clients and give them inquiries and information about your products. And that's it. That's how you add call extensions in Google Ads 2026 and drive more phone leads. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.